Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We have a lot of Milwaukee tools, sales, deals. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel. Yeah, unfortunately, YouTube, that's the way they run their platform, by subscribers and likes. So if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more videos, tool review videos, please help out the channel by subscribing and hitting the like button and the bell icon notification. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We got the Walt to start here. $279 for the Flex Walt Kit. It's an impact driver, drill driver. I believe it's a hammer drill. The Walt does have some sales online, I believe. Not online, on the ad. I don't know if you guys watched my previous video, but if you buy 3 tools, you get $100 off. Those are the garden tool section that I'm talking about, the $100 off. So watch my previous video. It's Home Depot weekly ad. Yeah, we got the Ryobi deal here, but they don't have it advertised yet. So they do have the 99 cents, $99 2 battery and a charger deal, the Ryobi days deal, but they're not. It's not advertised. I even asked the lady, and the lady doesn't know. So what I did is I just didn't ask her anymore. But yeah, that's the DeWalt fan, $79. We used to see that fan with the charger and a battery, I believe, for just about a little bit more than that. That's a great deal. The DeWalt 30 piece, definitely some nice case there with the not settlers and some impact bits there. And these cases are stackable, by the way. They are compatible with the tough system, I believe. So if you have a tough system, this will work fine. As you guys see there on the back, they are stackable. And they are $9, well, under $10. So both of these, even the drill bits, as you guys see, $9.97 for those, the 30 piece. And then they have this, which is, I did forget to get it. I was gonna come back and pick this up because sometimes you got a hard to reach area and you want something like that to have. It's a real handy item. But yeah, that's the other $9.97 piece. It is a 14 piece. I believe it's black and gold drill bit sets. And then they got the $99 impact driver and drill driver kits. So that's the battery there. It's $99, I believe, the battery by itself. And then we got some markers here. So the Milwaukee job site markers, $9.97. You got some more there, and then you got the Husky Toolboxes. I really like this red one here. It's $4.48, not a bad deal. I believe that's the price for the whole thing. I don't know if that's if it's not a bad deal at all. For $149 for that hybrid Ryobi air cannon. I heard that one drains the batteries real fast. So, but it is a hybrid. You can connect an extension cord. As you guys see, we do have a lot of red. That's a big section there. So we'll go over that in just a bit. You got some tie downs, $14.98. Seem to be pretty decent, pretty nice quality. The rubber and all that. I gotta give me some new tie downs. The ones that I have already on their last tie there. You got some Diablo blades here for the wood, $18.97, and then you got some all-purpose, $14.97, some metal ones. And circular saw blades. Yeah, I was looking at this deal. This deal's a really good deal. This is the Atomic for $159, guys. It is the brushless. It's one of the newer drills and impact drivers that they have out there. You are getting some not too good batteries, but still, you know, you're getting 2 batteries and a charger. It's not the fast charger, but you're getting. Yeah, this is the deal, guys. This is $299.99. This is the 2 batteries. I wanted to put this on the top to look at it, but it's all tied down. Seems like a lot of people steal. As you guys see, everything's tied down. So you basically have to take the whole section here if you want to take it home. Anyways, but yeah, that's a nice deal there. You got a big battery and a small battery, a charger, a standard charger, and I believe it is a fast charger, and they are high output batteries, by the way. You got the tools that you can purchase with that 2 battery deal. Those are all the tools. I would say the Rocket Light is probably the best deal. Obviously, if you're going to be getting something like that for free as a side tool with that deal, you want to shoot for the most expensive tool that you want to, it's available. You got some more batteries there, the whole dozers and some more batteries. Somehow these batteries were just left on this side, probably further down the road. But those are the high output batteries. Got some nice flashlights there. I really like the one on the bottom, that one that you hang up in your head. Seems to be, it does have a floodlight and a spotlight built in. And these safety glasses, these are nice. Ended up just picking a set of these. And let me tell you, they are really nice. I had some DeWalt's before. And these are just so comfortable. And the light doesn't just... They're not super dark, as you guys could see there. They're not that dark, but they're dark enough so you won't get all the UVs, But yeah, really nice glasses there, or safety glasses. You do got some drill drivers and impact drivers here for $99. I believe these are not brushless, but they're still great tools. And you aren't getting the 3 amp hour battery with these. So I remember last year, the year before, you got a 2 amp hour and then a 1.5 amp hour the year before that. So they are giving you more, so you can buy make it more attractive. Those are the batteries there. I believe they're for $99. Then we got some more deals here. This is Makita. Let's walk over here. Rigid Makita. So we got the vac here. It's $79.88. It does include the bag, as you guys see there, and some more accessories. So bonus accessories included. Not a bad bag. Rigid's the way to go on vacs. That's a great deal. $2.99. That is a smoking deal there. You're getting pretty much all the tools and a good brand tool there, or a good tool brand. Makita is a great brand, so that's a one-stop shop there. You got another kit there, $2.99, and then you got the storage, the rigid storages. Got some batteries there for $149. Makita 5 amp hour. You got some DeWalt here deals. $19.88. It's a nice clamps there. Yeah, those are some nice clamps. Yeah, that's a good deal. If you want to get into the flexible platform from DeWalt, that's a great starter kit. $2.99 will get you a big battery and a small battery. And plus you can use that big battery on that saw. And that's just a great deal there. I think that's one of the best deals that they have. 105 piece there. And then they have that 159 deal here with the Atomics. That's the fan for $79. And then we got some Milwaukee Toolboxes. These are really nice. Some reason I like these toolboxes. They just feel so, I don't know, just nice. I mean, they're not the top quality like Snap-on and Matco, but they feel real nice. I like the colors and everything, the way they just designed them. You got the 23 piece titanium, $29.97. That's a great deal there. Those are a lot more expensive than that, usually on a regular. But yeah, that's a good deal. I know because I bought some last year and they were way more than that. They were like $40. So $119 for the 12 volts. Then you got a 12 volt kit there. So that's the 12 volt section. And then we got the free tools that come with the other kit. So $119 for the vac, $169 for the light, $129 for the oscillating. And then you got the hammer and impact driver, which the impact driver, it's the Surge. So that's one of the newer impact drivers that they have. So definitely recommend you guys getting the Surge if you guys are going to get this battery deal. I know I went backwards. I should have looked at batteries first. But yeah, those are the tools that you can get for that deal there with the $199. That is definitely a good deal. If you don't want to spend the $299, you can spend the $199 and get any of those tools for free. I would definitely suggest you guys get the Surge or the hammer drill or the light. The light, it's one, I believe it's those are the most expensive items you can get. Obviously, you want to get the most expensive with that $199 deal. That's a great deal. So I'm just tempted to either go with that deal or the $299. I gotta see what I'm gonna go for. So $497 for the Milwaukees. $488 for some gloves there. $888. And then you got a big pack here for $988, which is a great deal. Especially what's going on right now. You need a lot of gloves and stuff and for work. So that's a great deal. And it's a 15 pair, so that's a lot of gloves for $10. Those are some nice lights from Coast. $19.88. That's a great deal there for just under $5. A blade and a switchback blade and some extra blades there. And then you got the $14.87 for the Diablos. Then $10.88 for these screwdrivers. Then you got some nice Milwaukee. Yeah, these were on sale. I believe. I don't know if you guys watched the Toolbox, but he had these on sale. He found these on sale, I believe, for like $12. So if you guys watch his channel, you guys probably watched it. If not, check it out. I believe it's Toolbox. That's his channel. So check it out. But yeah, we got some Ryobi here. $49 will get you pretty much a really basic drill and a battery and a charger. But I would definitely not go with any of these tools, not even the batteries. You know what? The Ryobi Days deal that they have for two 4-amp-hour batteries, charger bag, and a free tool for $99. I think that's a smoking deal. A lot better than just that drill there. Got some drill bits, 15. Not the best. I wouldn't get these. It's just my personal. I would at least go Milwaukee. Here's some Milwaukee deals here. You got some kits there, and then you got some batteries for $99. So those kits are pretty good. $349 for that drill driver, impact driver, circular saw. Then you got for the fuel $299, and then you got the $199 deal there with the brushless impact driver, drill driver, and then you have the pack outs here. So yeah, you got a lot of pack outs there. You got some more DeWalt. That's actually on sale and clearance for $210. So I think that's a good deal. A little bit off. Get a few bucks off. And then that's the M12. That's the Makita. Then that's a good deal for $9.97. That's the way we went earlier. $19.88 for the Fat Maxes. It is a pair. So about $10 each. Not a bad deal. Got some more gloves there. You got some Makita deal with 2 free batteries. Basically, how this works is you buy the kit and you get 2 free batteries, which is a smoking deal. It's a great deal. Makita has a lot of great deals, and these are solid tools, guys. So if you guys are looking forward to get into a one-stop shop and pretty much done with it, Makita's the way to go. It gives you the most value. So you buy any of those kits in the bottom, and pretty much you get those 2 batteries. So you're pretty much good to go there. So $249 for that kit. Then you get the 2 batteries there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.